Here we are with Hannah and her mother Alicia. She had a childhood injury.
When Hannah was 15 months old, she pulled scalding hot water onto her coming down over her area in her hairline that it killed off all the hair follicles. And then Dr. Bolton contacted us, willing to help us with some hair growth for her.
Right along here in this area.
All around the front, she didn't have any hair here. We went through and completely reconstructed her hairline, created nice density behind it to fill this all in nicely, and this looks like her own natural hair. So even if she were to thin out a little bit, this hair is permanent and won't ever thin out, so you'll have that forever.
All right.
So you excited?
Yeah, very excited. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, thank you very much for doing the video.
Thank you.